So, good evening to everyone, guys. That is dinner for today, guys. So, I made it early morning. That is pork soup. That is it, guys. Yes. And this is yummy. Let's eat. So, good morning, guys. That is Friday today, guys. I'm making pork soup, guys. So nag-additional cut lang ako ng ginger, laurel, and yung buong na pepper, and that is the pork leg. So ito naman yung onion natin, guys. Pakuluin lang natin, guys, until the pork ma-tender. So lalambot siya. Ikakat lang natin small bite. Mag-additional tayo ng vegetable later. So let it to boil, guys, and see you later. Vegetable I going to use, guys. I have potato and of course carrots. And this is the cold kohlrabi here. No way, I cut into two na lang, guys. Dahil maramihan siya, guys. And then kunin lang natin balat, guys. Yan. Ikakat lang natin pag ganun. Yung carrots, yanahin natin yung carrots, guys. Ayan, kunin natin balat, cut into the small bite. Madalian ito, guys, napa-easy na pork soup, guys. Dahil magtrabaho ako 9:30, so mayroon ako pang 20 minutes to go. So ready ko na lang yung dinner para pag uli ko, pagod na yung madami ninyo, kaya pagdating ko mayroon na kami ng dinner. So, ganyan ang buhay dito sa Norway. Madiskarte ka lang, guys, para makakain ang pamilya ng masarap na pagkain. That is my life here, guys. So, 100% job. And then, coming home, we make food. So, cut mo lang dito, guys. Ganyan lang. Kunin lang mo ng balat. And then, ganyan. So guys, dahil ito hindi madaling maluto. Take time ito, guys, maluto. So, i-cut lang natin ito na bite. Ayan. So, that is life here in Norway. Kailangan ka madiscarding magkain para makakain ng masarap pagkain, guys. Hindi pwede itong bibili ka na lang ng homemade na pagkain dahil napakamahal dito. Then, hindi rin mo makukuha yung gusto mong kainin dahil ibang lasa, iba dito, guys. Napakasimple lang, guys. Walang maraming mga ingredient pag ano ka dito na magawa ka ng pagkain. So, that is life here. So, at ito na, guys, na-cut ko na siya. Sit aside natin kasi mag-cut tayo ng potato. Kakat din natin yung potato. Yan, that is my potato. Ang potato, no need to cook sulong, madali itong maluto. Yung usually matagal maluto itong vegetable na ito, guys. Kaya kailangan nating i-cook muna nito. Mayroon pa akong 15 minutes, 35 minutes, 35 minutes to go, guys. So, ganyan lang. And then, isit aside lang natin. And then, ang carrots naman, guys. Ganyan lang, guys. Yan. So that is it, guys. Kailangan lang natin hugasan ito and then ilagay natin sa pork soup natin. Guys, kumukulo na after in 1 hour, guys. I-add na natin yung vegetable, guys. Carrots, potato, and everything. So ganyan lang siya, guys. And then let it to boil until the vegetable is tender. So I'm going to work. coming home, I have a dinner already, guys. So that, so, halo mo lang, guys. Tumalaki pa siya, guys. So, take a look, guys. Yan. That is the my pork soup, guys. Yan. Yan siya, guys. I-cut natin yan later, guys. Pag uwi ko ng galing bahay, ika-cut ko yan. Diba? Trabaho muna ako. And then, back home, eat dinner later. So, try lang natin dyan. This is, it's so yummy, guys.
Attempt for cooking. A sauce. Okay.
Thank you everyone, guys. That is dinner for today, guys. So I made it early morning. That is pork soup. That is it, guys. Yes. And this is yummy. Let's eat. Eating time. So that is my dinner today, guys. And this is yummy, 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 yummy. Simple and easy, but it's yummy. Everybody happy. So this is it. And subscribe.